Hello everyone. Today I have got you to Thane's one of the most premium project which has 40% of open space and a ISKCON temple right inside the premises. Welcome to Vaikunt by Piramal Reality. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the actual premises, and inside the premises right behind me is the ISKCON temple. So the actual towers are right here. You can have a look at the actual tower. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 32 acres. Right now I'm standing right in front of the actual towers. Right behind me are the actual towers. This project has 14 towers in total, out of which we are going to be covering 2 towers mainly because they are new launch towers which will be having ground plus 51 story with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in Balkum Naka, bang on Old Bhiwandi Highway. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual tower. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. Right here is the highway. Talking about the connectivity in detail, so Thane railway station is at a distance of 15 minutes from here. Balcom metro is at a distance of 100 meters. And again, Old Bhiwandi highway is at a distance of 100 meters. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of 1 to 2 kilometers. In this amazing project, you will get 50 plus luxurious amenities. Right here, I'm standing in front of the clubhouse. The entire amenities is going to be in this zone. It is named as Club V. It also has a multi-purpose court, as you can see. Talking about other amenities, it has a swimming pool. As you can see, standing right in front of the swimming pool, it has turf, banquet hall, you name it, we have it. Before moving forward, I need to ask you a question. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, if you've booked a home giving a token amount to the builder, but now you're planning to cancel it off, so how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction related or leakage related issue, so what liability does the builder hold? A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. So we've made you understand all of these things in very easy to understand language and simple language for you to buy a home next time. So next time when you go to buy a home, go through the series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button और नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK, with 2 BHK ranging from 700 square feet to 850 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 1000 square feet to 1450 square feet. Now coming to the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site, where a sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount for 2 BHK is going to be 1 lakh rupees and for 3 BHK is going to be 2 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the teaser of Piramal Vaikunt by Piramal Reality located in Thane. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.